Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about structure of borax. It is very important, in which a neat question will be asked. Okay, we know that the formula for borax Na2 B4 O7 10H2O. So another form Na2 B4 O5 OH 4 times dot 8H2O. So this is the another form of formula for the borax. So it is also present in the tetranuclear unit. The boron present as a tetranuclear unit B4 O5 OH 4 times 2 minus. It is an anion. So chemical formula for this borax is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. Sodium tetraborate decahydrate. This form is called prismatic form. B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus is called a prismatic form. Prismatic form. Now let us discuss about the structure of borax. So in borax, here one boron, then oxygen, boron, here oxygen, here boron, here oxygen, here boron, here oxygen, here boron. The OH is present here outside, here one OH. There are 4 OH present in the borax unit. OH, here OH, here OH. Okay, it has a 2 negative charge. Okay, B4O5 OH 4 times 2 minus, here 1 minus, here 1 minus. This boron has a negative charge. It is neutralized by 2 sodium ions, Na plus Na plus. The whole structure is present like a 8H2O. This is the structure of borax. Here this boron, here one bond is also present here. Okay, this is the structure of borax. Here in which in the question will be asked like that. So how many the number of boron bond? So in this borax there is no boron bond. Okay, the borax has here I can write, it has, first point, the borax has so number of POB bond. The number of POB bond is equal to 5. Borax has number of boron oxygen boron bond is 5. Boron oxygen boron, oxygen, boron, boron, oxygen, boron, boron, oxygen, boron, boron, oxygen, boron, and boron, oxygen, boron. It has a 5 POB bond. Here in borax, 2 boron has sp2 hybridization and another 2 boron has sp3 hybridization. Here this boron has a 4 sigma bond, 1 2 3 4. So 4 sigma bond, it has a sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. This boron also has a sp3 hybridization because it has 4 sigma bond, 1 2 3 4. This boron has 3 sigma bond, 1 2 3 sigma bond, so it is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. So in boron, 2 boron in sp2 hybridization and 2 boron in sp3 hybridization. Next point. So there are 2 rings in the borax. This one rings, this is second rings. It has here 2 rings. Each ring has a 6 members. 1 2 3 4 5 6 members. It has here 2 rings. Each ring has a 6 members. Okay, it has 2 rings, 2 rings. Each ring has a 6 members. Each ring has 6 members. So next points, there are 2 tetrahedral and 2 triangular unit. Here this sp3 hybridization, it has 2 sp3 hybridization. It has a tetrahedral structure. It has a and 2 boron has a sp2 hybridization. It has a triangular structure. There are 2 tetrahedral and 2 triangular units in borax. There are 2 tetrahedral unit and 2 triangular units. These are the very important questions, neat questions. In borax, how many BOB bond? In borax there are 5 POB bond. In what is the hybridization of boron in borax? 2 boron in sp2 hybridization and 2 boron in sp3 hybridization. It has a 2 rings. Each ring has a 6 members or 6 atoms. There are 2 tetrahedral unit and 2 triangular unit. This is a very important NEET IIT JEE based questions. This is structure of borax. In structure of borax, the question will be asked in this way. So you study well and practice the structures. Thank you, student. I hope you understand the structure of borax.